Hey guys, today I'll be showing you an accident that happened while pouring concrete into the bunker. Here's the video, and this is the time to fail. Our plan was to carefully pour in the concrete from two concrete mixtures, one after the other, into the walls of the bunker. Great. And we have 2 layers of struts for one pair of walls, the stronger ones, and 3 layers of struts for the other pair of walls, which are weaker because they're assembled from smaller forming panels. We started with the weakest wall, and our plan was to fill up to about half height, maybe a bit more. Bog of all trades. I do everything and more. And there we go. What happened was that the struts are very weak because they're so long, and so they started bending out. And as one strut bends out, it loses strength. This power goes into the other struts. They also bend and lose strength. And in the end, a lot of them break until the concrete is spilled all over the floor. Further details on how we continued after this and how I fixed it will be in the next video. Till next time. Ciao.